In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Chrome extensions. If you have an extension that's causing problems, slowing down your browser, or you simply want to turn it off temporarily without deleting it, Chrome makes that very easy. Disabling an extension is a good option when you want to troubleshoot issues or reduce clutter while keeping the extension available for later use. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in the main browser window so you can access Chrome's menu and settings. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three vertical dots icon, which opens the main Chrome menu. Go ahead and click that icon. This menu gives you access to many browser controls, including your extensions. After the menu opens, move your cursor over extensions. A side menu will appear. From there, click Manage Extensions. This will take you to Chrome's extensions page where you can view all the extensions currently installed in your browser. This is the main area where you can control whether an extension is active or inactive. Now take a moment to find the specific extension you want to disable. Each extension appears in its own box, usually with the extension's name and a few controls. In the bottom right corner of that box, you'll see a toggle switch. If the extension is currently enabled, that switch will be blue. To disable the extension, click the blue toggle switch once. When it turns gray, that means the extension has been turned off. The extension will remain installed in Chrome, but it will no longer run or affect your browsing until you enable it again. This is helpful if you don't want to fully remove it but don't need it active right now. If you decide later that you want to use that extension again, turning it back on is just as simple. Find the same extension on the Manage Extensions page and click the gray toggle switch. Once it turns blue again, the extension is active and ready to use. That's all it takes to disable and re-enable Chrome extensions. If you manage several extensions, it can be useful to turn off the ones you don't use often, especially if you want a cleaner and potentially smoother browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to disable Chrome extensions.